We'll do a quick review on this 100-foot expandable water hose I just got in. Like I said, it's a 100-foot hose. It comes with a nozzle, a different settings. You had jet, soaker, angle, mist, center, full, the usual. It also comes with a rack you can mount on your wall to help hold the hose, but I won't use that. Also comes with a storage bag. I pretty much just leave mine in my flower bed and just use it like that. It also came with 3 rubber gaskets, so you just put them on the end. This end, I haven't put one in here yet. Just put it in there and keep it from leaking. But it's really easy to use. This in here goes on the right there. Put it on tight. You turn it on by the wall, or you can have a little on and off switch here. It works really good. I've had them before. The one I just had before, I probably had it for 3 or 4 years. So, you know, just like everything else, it wears out after a while. But I hadn't had any problem with them cracking or anything. The water goes back out on them, so it shrinks back down. So in the winter time, you don't have to worry about your hose cracking like on normal garden hose. But it's really easy to use. I'll show you what it looks like when I get it installed and let it expand when it's full of water. All right, this is we got it installed. See the water hose here. It expands really good. Like I said, this is a 100-foot hose. That's flat. That's shower, cone, jet, soaker, which I don't use. Most of the time I'll use shower when I'm watering the flowers. That one right there. Gets back pretty small. And that's pretty much it. It's a 100-foot expandable hose. Looking for a good hose, check this one out.